GED Math Review. Question 1. During GED Math Review, which earth layer is liquid and surrounds the inner core? Option A, outer core. Option B, crust. Option C, mantle only. Option D, lithosphere. The correct answer is option A, outer core. The outer core is liquid and surrounds the solid inner core. The crust is the thin outer layer, the mantle is mostly solid or plastic like rock, and the lithosphere includes crust and upper mantle. The word liquid is the clue. Question 2. For GED Math Review, which phrase best describes supply and demand? Option A, how planets orbit. Option B, how cells divide. Option C, how sentences combine. Option D, how price and quantity interact. The correct answer is option D, how price and quantity interact. Supply and demand explain how price and quantity interact in markets. Planetary motion, cell division, and sentence combining belong to other GED subjects. Economics questions often center on market behavior. Question 3. In GED Math Review, which detail best supports an inference in RLA? Option A, a longer answer choice. Option B, a familiar topic. Option C, a quoted line from the passage. Option D, a personal guess. The correct answer is option C, a quoted line from the passage. An inference should be grounded in a quoted or paraphrased passage detail. A personal guess may not match the text, and answer length does not prove accuracy. Familiarity with the topic cannot replace evidence. Question 4. On GED Math Review, which slope is shown by rise 6 and run 3? Option A, 9. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option B, 2. Slope equals rise divided by run, so 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Option B uses the run only, option C uses the rise only, and option D adds the values. Slope measures rate of change. Question 5. Before GED Math Review, which number solves x4 equals 9? Option A, 5. Option B, 9. Option C, 13. Option D, 36. The correct answer is option C, 13. Adding 4 to both sides gives x equals 13. 5 comes from subtracting instead of adding, 9 is already on the right side, and 36 multiplies unrelated values. Inverse operations solve equations. Question 6. After GED Math Review, which social studies skill checks whether a source can be trusted? Option A, solving equations. Option B, balancing reactions. Option C, finding area. Option D, evaluating credibility. The correct answer is option D, evaluating credibility. Evaluating credibility means judging whether a source is reliable and useful. Solving equations is math, balancing reactions is science, and finding area is geometry. Source reliability is central to social studies reading. Question 7. While GED Math Review, which word signals contrast? Option A, also. Option B, first. Option C, however. Option D, because. The correct answer is option C, however. However signals a contrast between ideas. Because signals cause, also adds information, and first shows order. Transition words reveal relationships in passages. Question 8. Given GED Math Review, which angle measures exactly 90 degrees? Option A, straight angle. Option B, right angle. Option C, acute angle. Option D, obtuse angle. The correct answer is option B, right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Acute angles are less than 90, obtuse angles are greater than 90 but less than 180, and straight angles measure 180. The exact measure identifies the type. Question 9. When GED Math review, which process do plants use to make glucose? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, respiration only. Option C, erosion. Option D, condensation. The correct answer is option A. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses light energy to make glucose from carbon dioxide and water. Respiration breaks glucose down for energy, erosion moves sediment, and condensation changes gas to liquid. The plant glucose clue points to photosynthesis. Question 10. If GED Math review, which amendment protects freedom of speech? Option A. Second Amendment. Option B, Fifth Amendment. Option C, 10th Amendment. Option D, First Amendment. The correct answer is option D, First Amendment. The First Amendment protects freedoms such as speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. The second concerns arms, the fifth includes due process protections, and the 10th reserves powers. Speech is the key clue. Question 11. During GED Math review, which paragraph part usually introduces the main point? Option A, footnote. Option B, page number. Option C, topic sentence. Option D, citation page. The correct answer is option C, topic sentence. A topic sentence often introduces a paragraph's main point. A citation page lists sources, a footnote adds side information, and a page number helps locate text. Paragraph structure begins with the topic. Question 12. For GED Math review, which probability equals 1 chance out of 4? Option A, 75%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 40%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option B, 25%. 1 out of 4 equals 1/4, or 25%. 40% is 2/5, 50% is 1/2, and 75% is 3/4. Converting fractions to percents helps compare choices. Question 13. In GED Math review, which phrase describes a dependent variable? Option A, the outcome measured. Option B, the factor changed. Option C, the control group. Option D, the background reading. The correct answer is option A, the outcome measured. The dependent variable is the outcome measured in an experiment. The independent variable is the factor changed, a control group is used for comparison, and background reading is not a variable. The word dependent links to measured result. Question 14. On GED Math review, which number is the greatest? Option A, 0.08. Option B, 0.18. Option C, 0.018. Option D, 0.8. The correct answer is option D, 0.8. 0.8 is 8/10, which is greater than hundredths or thousandths values listed. 0.08 and 0.018 are much smaller. Comparing place value prevents decimal errors. Question 15. Before GED Math review, which document begins with "We the People"? Option A, Bill of Rights only. Option B, Federalist Paper number 10. Option C, U.S. Constitution. Option D, Declaration of Independence. The correct answer is option C, U.S. Constitution. The U.S. Constitution begins with the phrase "We the People." The Declaration of Independence begins differently, the Bill of Rights is a set of amendments, and Federalist Paper number 10 is an essay. This is a common civics clue. Question 16. After GED Math review, which writing choice improves clarity? Option A, ignore the prompt. Option B, use precise evidence. Option C, add unrelated facts. Option D, repeat the same sentence. The correct answer is option B. Use precise evidence. Precise evidence makes writing clearer and more convincing. Unrelated facts distract, repetition weakens organization, and ignoring the prompt lowers relevance. GED writing rewards focused support. Question 17. While GED Math review, which value equals 5 superscript 2? Option A, 10. Option B, 25. Option C, 52. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option B, 25. 5 squared means 5 times 5, which equals 25. 10 doubles 5, 52 places digits together, and 7 adds 2. Exponents show repeated multiplication. Question 18. Given GED Math review, which organism is a producer? Option A, rabbit. Option B, hawk. Option C, mushroom. Option D, grass. The correct answer is option D, grass. Grass is a producer because it makes its own food through photosynthesis. Rabbits and hawks are consumers, and mushrooms are decomposers. Food webs begin with producers. Question 19. When GED Math review, which map feature explains symbols? Option A, compass only. Option B, border. Option C, legend. Option D, scale only. The correct answer is option C, legend. A legend explains the symbols used on a map. A scale shows distance, a compass shows direction, and a border frames the map. Symbols point directly to the legend. Question 20. If GED Math review, which sentence uses evidence best? Option A. The answer is probably obvious. Option B. The article states that graduation rates rose by 8%. Option C. Everyone knows the result. Option D. It seems true to me. The correct answer is option B. The article states that graduation rates rose by 8%. The first sentence gives a specific evidence-based detail. The other choices rely on assumption, opinion, or vague wording. Evidence should be clear and verifiable. Question 21. During GED Math review, which number is the mode of 4, 6, 6, 7, 9? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option B, 6. The mode is the value that appears most often, which is 6. The other numbers appear only once. Frequency is the key to finding the mode. Question 22. For GED Math review, which force pulls objects toward Earth? Option A, friction. Option B, magnetism. Option C, static electricity. Option D, gravity. The correct answer is option D, gravity. Gravity pulls objects toward Earth. Friction resists motion, magnetism acts between magnetic materials, and static electricity involves electric charges. The downward pull clue identifies gravity. Question 23. In GED Math review, which idea is protected by checks and balances? Option A, courts write every law. Option B, states have no role. Option C, no branch has unlimited power. Option D, one branch controls all laws. The correct answer is option C, no branch has unlimited power. Checks and balances prevent any one branch from gaining unlimited power. The other choices concentrate power or misrepresent the system. U.S. civics questions often ask about separation of powers. Question 24. On GED Math review, which value is the perimeter of a square with side 6? Option A 36. Option B 12. Option C 18. Option D 24. The correct answer is option D. 24. A square has 4 equal sides, so the perimeter is 4 times 6 equals 24. 12 uses only 2 sides, 18 uses 3 sides, and 36 is the area. Perimeter measures distance around a shape. Question 25. Before GED Math review, which sentence has a misplaced modifier? Option A, running down the street, the backpack bounced on him. Option B, he ran down the street with a backpack. Option C, the backpack was on his shoulders. Option D, he carried the backpack carefully. The correct answer is option A. Running down the street, the backpack bounced on him. The first sentence makes it sound as if the backpack is running. The other sentences clearly show that the person is doing the action. Modifiers should be placed near the words they describe. Question 26. After GED Math review, which substance is made of atoms bonded together? Option A, opinion. Option B, variable. Option C, government. Option D, compound. The correct answer is option D. Compound. A compound is made of 2 or more elements chemically bonded. Opinion, variable, and government are not chemical substance types. Bonding is the science clue. Question 27. While GED Math review, which point is on the y-axis? Option A, 3, 2. Option B, 4, 4. Option C, 0, 5. Option D, 5, 0. The correct answer is option C. 0, 5. A point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0, so 0, 5 fits. The point 5, 0 is on the x-axis, and the other points are away from both axes. Coordinate rules make this direct. Question 28. Given GED Math review, which phrase identifies author bias? Option A, exact citation. Option B, loaded language. Option C, neutral data. Option D, balanced evidence. The correct answer is option B. Loaded language. Loaded language can reveal bias because it pushes emotion or opinion. Neutral data, balanced evidence, and exact citation usually strengthen reliability. Bias often appears in word choice. Question 29. When GED Math review, which number is 7 less than 20? Option A, 13. Option B, 17. Option C, 27. Option D, 140. The correct answer is option A. 13. 7 less than 20 means 27 equals 13. 17 subtracts only 3, 27 adds 7, and 140 multiplies. The phrase less than signals subtraction. Question 30. If GED Math review, which weathering process breaks rocks by freezing water? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, evaporation. Option C, pollination. Option D, ice wedging. The correct answer is option D. Ice wedging. Ice wedging happens when water freezes, expands, and cracks rock. Photosynthesis makes glucose, evaporation changes liquid to gas, and pollination helps plants reproduce. Freezing water is the key clue. Question 31. During GED Math review, which government system lets citizens vote for representatives? Option A, dictatorship. Option B, oligarchy. Option C, representative democracy. Option D, absolute monarchy. The correct answer is option C. Representative democracy. A representative democracy lets citizens choose people to make decisions for them. An absolute monarchy concentrates power in a monarch, dictatorship in one ruler, and oligarchy in a small group. Voting for representatives defines the system. Question 32. For GED Math review, which word best replaces very big? Option A brief. Option B enormous. Option C tiny. Option D weak. The correct answer is option B. Enormous. Enormous means very big. Tiny is the opposite, weak refers to strength, and brief refers to length or time. Strong vocabulary improves RLA precision. Question 33. In GED Math review, which unit measures volume? Option A liter. Option B meter. Option C gram. Option D degree. The correct answer is option A. Liter. A liter measures volume or capacity. A meter measures length, a gram measures mass, and a degree measures angle or temperature depending on context. The volume clue points to liter. Question 34. On GED Math review, which value equals 3x when x equals 7? Option A 21. Option B 37. Option C 73. Option D 10. The correct answer is option A. 21. Substituting 7 for x gives 3 times 7 equals 21. Option A adds 3 and 7, while option C and D place digits together instead of multiplying. Algebra questions often require direct substitution. Question 35. Before GED Math review, how should 0.25 be written as a fraction? Option A 2/5. Option B 25/10. Option C 1/4. Option D 1/2. The correct answer is option C. 1/4. 0.25 equals 25/100, which simplifies to 1/4. 1/2 equals 0.5, 2/5 equals 0.4, and 25/10 equals 2.5. Simplifying decimals into fractions is a common GED skill. Question 36. After GED Math review, which GED subject focuses most on interpreting experiments and data? Option A geometry. Option B science. Option C social studies. Option D RLA. The correct answer is option B. Science. GED science emphasizes scientific reasoning, data, and experiment interpretation. Social studies uses historical and civic sources, RLA focuses reading and writing, and geometry is part of math. The clue is experiments and data. Question 37. While GED Math review, which source would best support a historical claim? Option A primary document. Option B random comment. Option C cartoon only. Option D advertisement slogan. The correct answer is option A. Primary document. A primary document provides direct evidence from the time or event being studied. A random comment is weak evidence, a cartoon may show opinion, and an advertisement slogan is persuasive rather than neutral. Strong historical answers rely on reliable sources. Question 38. Given GED Math review, which sentence is complete? Option A. The author explains the evidence. Option B. Because the test began. Option C. After the answer. Option D. Although the graph changed. The correct answer is option A. The author explains the evidence. The author explains the evidence has a subject and a complete verb idea. The other choices are fragments because they begin dependent ideas or lack a full predicate. GED RLA often tests complete sentence structure. Question 39. When GED Math review, which number is the median of 2, 5, 9, 10, 14? Option A 10. Option B 14. Option C 5. Option D 9. The correct answer is option D. 9. The median is the middle value when numbers are ordered, which is 9. 5 and 10 are adjacent but not in the middle. 14 is the greatest value, not the median. Question 40. If GED Math review, which graph is best for showing change over time? Option A, Venn diagram. Option B, line graph. Option C, pie chart. Option D, map. The correct answer is option B. Line graph. A line graph is best for trends over time because it shows continuous change. A pie chart shows parts of a whole, a map shows location, and a Venn diagram compares sets. Time trend is the key clue. Question 41. During GED Math review, which operation undoes multiplication by 5? Option A, divide by 5. Option B, add 5. Option C, subtract 5. Option D, multiply by 10. The correct answer is option A. Divide by 5. Division is the inverse of multiplication, so dividing by 5 undoes multiplying by 5. Adding or subtracting changes the value in a different way. Multiplying by 10 increases the effect rather than reversing it. Question 42. For GED Math review, which word best describes a claim supported by evidence? Option A, fragment. Option B, decimal. Option C, variable. Option D, argument. The correct answer is option D. Argument. An argument in reading and writing is a claim supported by reasons and evidence. A fragment is an incomplete sentence, a decimal is a number form, and a variable represents an unknown. Evidence points to argument structure. Question 43. In GED Math review, which branch of government makes laws in the United States? Option A, judicial. Option B, military. Option C, legislative. Option D, executive. The correct answer is option C. Legislative. The legislative branch makes laws. The executive branch enforces laws, and the judicial branch interprets laws. The military is not one of the three lawmaking branches. Question 44. On GED Math review, which formula finds the area of a rectangle? Option A, pi r superscript 2. Option B, length times width. Option C, 2 times length plus width. Option D, base times height divided by 2. The correct answer is option B, length times width. The area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. The second choice is not the perimeter formula as written, the third is triangle area, and pi r superscript 2 is circle area. Matching shapes to formulas is essential. Question 45. Before GED Math review, which conclusion is strongest after reading a data table? Option A. One supported by the numbers. Option B. One based on a guess. Option C. One using no labels. Option D. One ignoring units. The correct answer is option A. One supported by the numbers. A strong conclusion must be supported by the numbers in the table. Guessing, ignoring labels, or ignoring units can lead to wrong interpretations. GED data questions reward evidence-based reasoning. Question 46. After GED Math review, which sentence uses correct subject-verb agreement? Option A. The student are ready. Option B. The students are ready. Option C. The student be ready. Option D. The students is ready. The correct answer is option B. The students are ready. The plural subject students needs the plural verb are. The students is and the student are mismatch subject and verb number. The student be is not standard grammar in this sentence. Question 47. While GED Math review, which decimal equals 3/10? Option A, 3.0. Option B, 30.0. Option C, 0.03. Option D, 0.3. The correct answer is option D. 0.3. 3/10 is written as 0.3. 0.03 is 3/100ths, while 3.0 equals 3 whole units. 30 is far too large. Question 48. Given GED Math review, which term means the result of an experiment can be repeated? Option A, estimated. Option B, reliable. Option C, biased. Option D, ancient. The correct answer is option B. Reliable. Reliable results can be repeated under similar conditions. Biased means unfairly influenced, ancient relates to age, and estimated means approximated. Repetition strengthens scientific confidence. Question 49. When GED Math review, which punctuation mark separates items in a simple list? Option A, comma. Option B, apostrophe. Option C, hyphen. Option D, colon only. The correct answer is option A. Comma. Commas separate items in a simple list. Apostrophes show possession or contractions, hyphens join certain words, and a colon can introduce a list but does not separate each item. The list clue points to commas. Question 50. If GED Math review, which value is 40% of 50? Option A, 40. Option B, 45. Option C, 90. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option D. 20. 40% of 50 is 20 because 0.40 times 50 equals 20. Option B is the percent number, option C is too high, and option D adds rather than multiplies. Percent questions require converting to a decimal.